Dear students, this is practice set 1. Question 1. Draw line segments of the lengths given below and draw their perpendicular bisector. And the given lengths are 5.3 cm, 6.7 cm and 3.8 cm. Complete process of drawing perpendicular bisector is explained in the part 1 of this video. Click on this I button to watch that video. Question 1 contains 3 sub questions and the process of solving all these questions is same. Hence I will show you how to attempt sub question 1. Draw the line segment say AB of length 5.3 cm using ruler. It is not necessary to name the segment, but I am doing it for simplicity. Between the two arms of the compass, take the distance more than half of the total length of segment AB. It is not necessary to measure the distance between the two arms of the compass. This is approximate distance. Now through points A and B, draw the arcs on both the sides of segment AB. Join two intersecting points obtained after crossing the arcs. Name this line as M. Line M is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB whose length is 5.3 cm. Now you have to attempt sub questions 2 and 3 using the same method. Question 2. Draw angles of the measures given below and draw their bisectors. Number 1, 105 degrees. Number 2, 55 degrees. And number 3, 90 degrees. I will show you the construction of sub questions 1 and 2 and attempt sub question 3 on your own. To attempt this question, it is necessary to know how to draw the angle of the given measure. Please click on this I button to see the complete video regarding this. Also, you must have the knowledge of bisecting the given angle. For this, watch the first part of this video or click on this I button. Let's attempt sub question 1. Draw an angle of measure 105 degrees using protractor. Name this angle as DEF. It is not necessary to name the angle, but I am doing it for simplicity. Now bisect this angle using the process of angle bisector. Take suitable distance between the two arms of the compass and draw arcs on ray ED and ray EF. Name the points of intersection as point P and point Q. Through points P and Q, draw the arcs inside the angle DEF. Take R as the point of intersection. Follow the same process for the sub question 2 and 3. Question 3. Draw an obtuse angled triangle and a right angled triangle. Find the points of concurrence of the angle bisectors of each triangle. Where do the points of concurrence lie? To watch the complete video, how to draw the angle bisector, please click on this I button. Draw an obtuse angle triangle XYZ. The triangle whose one of the angles is greater than 90 degrees is called obtuse angle triangle. Draw segment YZ of any length. Using protractor, draw angle XYZ of measure 110 degrees and join points XY and XZ. This is obtuse angle triangle XYZ. Now using the method of angle bisector, bisect all the angles of this triangle. I is the point of concurrence of all the angle bisectors of this triangle and it is inside the triangle. Now follow the same method for constructing the angle bisectors of right angled triangle. I is the point of concurrence and it lies inside the triangle. Hence the point of concurrence of angle bisectors of obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle lie inside the triangle. Also note that point of concurrence of angle bisectors of all the types of triangle lie inside the triangle. Question 4. Draw a right angle triangle. Draw the perpendicular bisector of its sides. Where does the point of concurrence lie? Construct right angle triangle. Draw right angle at point R. This marking on the protractor shows 90 degrees. Put a dark point here to identify the position of the angle. Name this point as O. Remove the protractor and join points R and O and T and O. This is the right angled triangle RTO. Draw the remaining perpendicular bisectors of this triangle. Watch part 1 of this video or click on this I button. Draw arcs on both the sides of each side of triangle through both the end points of the segment. This is the point of concurrence and it is denoted by letter C, and it lies on the hypotenuse of right angle triangle. Hypotenuse is the side opposite to the right angle. In case of acute angle triangle, point of concurrence lies inside the triangle, and in case of obtuse angle triangle, it lies outside the triangle. Question 5. Maithili, Shaila and Ajay live in 3 different places in the city. A toy shop is equidistant from the 3 houses. Which geometrical construction should be used to represent this? First of all, let's understand the meaning of the question. These are the positions of the houses of Maithili, Shaila and Ajay. This is the position of toy shop. As all these houses are equidistant from the toy shop, their distance from the toy shop is same. It means that their houses lie on the circle whose center is nothing but the toy shop. If a triangle is drawn taking the positions of the 3 houses as the vertices of the triangle, it is obvious that the circle is passing through all the vertices, and hence the toy shop is the circumcenter. The concept of circumcenter is used here. Thank you very much for watching this video and keep on watching my videos.